How to see who viewed your Snapchat story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can who has viewed or seen your Snapchat story. Now, whether it be your public profile or your My Story. So the process itself is quite simple, so let me guide you through. Simply open up Snapchat and then you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You'll be headed to your profile, right? Now if I scroll down below here, I just uploaded story and you can see my public profile, and under it you can see story as well, and down below you can see my story, and there you can see story as well. Now I just uploaded it, so it has the reviews on it. So how you can see who has viewed it, if you tap on that particular story here, I'll just open up real quick. You can see my story here. I'll tap on it and my story on my public profile is here. At the bottom you'll see various icon there, and you can see the eye icon there. If you tap on eye icon there, you'll be able to see who has viewed it. Now in my case here, I'm just having some error, but if you tap on there, you'll be able to see who has viewed it. Similarly, if you tap on my story, and you can tap on your story there, and if you tap on J reviews option, the eye icon there at the bottom left corner, if you tap on it, you'll be able to see who has viewed your snap from here as well. So this way you can see who has viewed your Snapchat story. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.